How to change your name in Honkai Star Rail. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you are wondering how you can change your name in Honkai Star Rail, then the process is quite easy and only takes a few minutes. First of all, open up Honkai Star Rail game and log into your account. Once you're inside the game, tap on your phone icon at the top left corner and it'll open up this menu. Now from here, click on the three dots at the top right from your profile section, and in the pop-up, click on Trailblazer profile. On the next page, you will see your profile section. Go ahead and tap the pencil button right next to your current nickname or name. Now go ahead and enter a new name you want to change to, and once done, click on confirm. You will not be able to edit your name again within 72 hours of the last edit. Now, after you confirm your choice, you will be able to change your name immediately. So that's how you change your name in Honkai Star Rail. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.